तो अभी बेसिकली थर्सडे हो गया है। थर्सडे का सुबह का 5 बज रहा है इस वक्त। आप यहाँ पे देख भी सकते हैं शायद, राइट, ये गई घड़ी। एंड मैंने सोचा था कि मैं वेडनेसडे हल्का सा रिकॉर्ड कर लूँगा, रात में फिर अपलोड कर दूँगा, बट हम लोग थोड़ा काम में लग गए। काम क्या मतलब, बेसिकली वी वर सेटिंग अप आवर फाइनेंशियल शीट, एंड क्योंकि हम लोगों ने फाइनेंस शीट इतने अच्छे से मेंटेन रखी नहीं थी जब से कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई थी, तो अब बहुत ज़्यादा बैंड बज रही है। तो इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग आउट अ कंपनी, माई हाई एडवाइस टू यू वुड बी टू ऑलवेज ट्रैक ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ पेमेंट्स, स्पेशली इफ इट्स ब्लॉकचेन कंपनी, क्योंकि उसके अंदर यू अंडरस्टैंड के there are different wallets, different kinds of payouts, different types of chains, different types of wallet payment reasons, and fiat fiat on ramps, crypto off ramps, सबके अलग अलग styles होते हैं. So definitely keep a track of that if you're starting out. Not keeping track of that, now would be a very good time to start blocking time on your weekends to start building out that sheet altogether. At this point मुझे लग रहा है कि जो शीट हम लोग बना रहे हैं, we can honestly just like monetize it on Gumroad or something for like small crypto businesses at this point, क्योंकि it's really that well built and that well thought कि उसके अंदर वो सारी चीज़ें factored in हो रही हैं. So that's a little bit about what happened on Wednesday. Thursday अभी शुरू हो रहा है, so we will see how it goes. For the sake of my own being, I've decided to not sleep in and instead go out for a walk altogether. I know this is probably contrary to my own ideas of always prioritizing sleep, but the reason I'm doing this is because I'm factoring in that chalo, end of the week is quite close, which means that I would be able to catch a wink, and also if I would have gone to sleep abhi, I would have not been able to wake up for an important call. And I think it's okay, even if on one night you don't get enough sleep, that should not be the reason that it becomes a crutch for you to underperform. And I just think that the person with the least dependency, the most fluid and flexible person, and when I say flexible, I of course do not mean non-committed. So funny actually. If you're too committed to something, you're flexible in terms of executing it. Like if you're too committed to walking, you'll walk in any weather. Abhi barish ho rahi hai. And I'm not saying that I'm committed to walking, by the way. This just so happens to be a great example. I've actually skipped walks personally. So yeah, I just think that the less the dependency you have, the better you'd be, all in all. I'm trying to like reduce those dependencies as much as possible. Not saying कि मैं एकदम सोना ही छोड़ दूँगा, but just saying कि अगर किसी दिन नहीं भी नींद मिली तो it's okay. जैसे बारिश में अब टहलने तो टहलने, क्या हो ऐसा थोड़ी तबीयत ख़राब हो जाएगी, it's okay, I can take it.